How do you design injection molding products? Designing an injection molded product involves several steps, including defining the product requirement. First step in designing an injection molded product is to define the requirements of the product, including its size, shape, function, and any special features or requirements. This will help to ensure that the final product meets the needs of the application. Selecting the material. Next step is to select the material that will be used to produce the product. There are many different materials available for thin wall injection molding, including various types of plastics and elastomers. The selection of the material will depend on the specific requirements of the product, including its strength, stiffness, and temperature resistance. Determining the process parameters. Injection molding manufacturing process involves several process parameters, including the injection temperature, mold temperature, injection pressure, and cooling time. These parameters must be carefully selected to produce plastic parts with the desired properties. Sketching the product design. Next step is to sketch the design of the product. This can be done by hand or using computer-aided design (CAD) software. The sketch should include all of the important features of the product, including any holes, slots, or other features that will need to be molded. Creating a 3D model. Once the sketch is complete, the next step is to create a 3D model of the product using CAD software. This will allow the designer to visualize the product in greater detail and to make any necessary modifications to the design. Analyzing the product design. Once the 3D model is complete, the next step is to analyze the design to ensure that it is suitable for the injection molding cycle. This may involve analyzing the material flow through the injection mold, the cooling of the molten plastic injection molded parts, and the strength and stiffness of the finished product. Optimizing the product design. If necessary, the design may be modified to optimize it for injection molding. This may involve adding ribs or other features to improve the strength and stiffness of the product, or modifying the shape or size of the product to reduce the amount of material required. Designing the mold. The final step in the product design process is to injection molding. Design the mold that will be used to produce the product. The mold consists of two halves that are clamped together, with a mold cavity in the shape of the desired product. The mold must be designed to withstand the forces and temperatures involved in the injection molding process, and to produce products with the desired tolerances and surface finish. Conclusion. Designing an injection molded product requires a combination of technical expertise and creativity, as it involves balancing the requirements of the product with the capabilities of plastic injection molding. By carefully considering all of the factors involved in the design, it is possible to produce high-quality products that meet the needs of the application.